Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones Philips. To perform a factory reset, you need to find volume control controls. What located at the right ear cup? We have all controls at the right ear cup. Near to the play pause button we have volume control button. So the plus and minus, you need to press and hold simultaneously, both of them, until the LED light near to the power button start blinking blue. So let's do this. Press and hold, and now we're looking for the LED light. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect these headphones with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device button or forget device button or unpair button or maybe remove button and forget device. After that, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. Next, after factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to only tap on them. We just reconnect them, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!